Ladies and gentlemen, my video will provide you with help to remove the ransomware called Allarich. Allarich is a new ransomware. It is able to damage the files that people store on their hard drives. Well, before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open your files easily without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. But sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this Allarich ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting this ransomware. I will just show you how damaging this ransomware is. So the ransomware encrypts files and appends this Allarich extension to the file names. It also reveals this ransom note titled as readme.txt. The ransom note indicates that the ransom needs to be paid for file restoration, but paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus. I recommend you to use Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the website combocleaner.com. So go to this official page, combocleaner.com. Through this official website, combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You will see this green Combo Cleaner download button. So download it, install it, and then start carefully researching your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, and so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So after you click on that start scan button, Combo Cleaner will first of all update its anti-malware database. Do not skip this very important update procedure and wait until the antivirus database gets successfully updated. So you should not actually skip this very important update procedure. Make sure it is fully updated. Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature, which helps to remove the ransomware and to protect your data ahead of time. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect your files. Now, speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover the data.